Hello students, this is Ritvik Dubey, your computer teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So let us start. In this video class, I will start from the very basic, and in your unit test examination, chapter number 2 will come. Okay, so I will start from the very basic. We will discuss about number systems. What is the meaning of number systems, my dear students? Number system से क्या समझते हो आप? What do you mean by number system? Number means related with the digits, right? And system means the rules following which we can create numbers. Now the digits will be arranged as per the order given by the number system. Okay, so there are various number systems. In our syllabus, there are 4 number systems. One is your decimal number system. The other one is your binary number system. Then comes your octal number system and hexadecimal number system. Okay, now what is the difference between these number systems? Let us try to understand. Let's begin. Listen. So your number systems, okay? Number systems. First of all, we will discuss about decimal number system. We will discuss about decimal number system. Then we will discuss about binary number system. We will discuss about binary number system. Then third, we will discuss about octal number system. Octal number system. And the fourth one is your hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Okay, hexadecimal number system. So in your decimal number system, the base is equal to 10. Sir, what is the meaning of base? Why you have assigned the value 10 to this base? I will tell you, don't worry. So in decimal number system, the base is equal to 10. In binary number system, the base is equal to 2. And in octal number system, the base is equal to 8. And in hexadecimal number system, the base is equal to 16. Base is equal to 16. Clear? So let us start with decimal number system. Let us start with decimal number system. Listen. Number 1, decimal number system. Decimal number system. Decimal number system. First point, here the base is equal to 10. Why? Because 10 fundamental digits are used in this number system. Because 10 fundamental digits. Because 10 fundamental digits are used in this number system. Are used in this number system. Because 10 fundamental digits are used in this number system. The fundamental digits are the fundamental digits used in this number system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yes or no? So in our day-to-day life, we are using some numbers. Yes or no? If we go to bank or if we go to market to purchase some items, we give money. We just calculate So the number system which we follow in our day-to-day life belongs to decimal number system, because the numbers which we use comprises of these fundamental digits. Okay, the digits are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the fundamental digits. Example, if I write 247, see, when I say 247, it means I have used the digits 2, 4, and 7. Okay, and which belongs to this set, which belongs to this set. Clear? So we can say the base of this particular number is 10. So this is a number which belongs to decimal number system. Okay, clear na? So this is a decimal number. So this is a number which belongs to decimal number system. This is a number which belongs to decimal number system, which belongs to decimal number system, which belongs to decimal number system. Okay, this is example 1. Example 2, 50246. So here also the base is equal to 10. Okay, so this is also a number which belongs to decimal number system. So if these fundamental digits are used from 0 to 9 to represent any number, then we can say that number belongs to decimal number system. I hope it is clear. Okay, then let us discuss the second one. Let us discuss the second one. The second one is your binary number system. The second one is your binary number system. In binary number system, the base is equal to 2. The base is equal to 2. Why? Because in this number system, only 2 digits are used. Only 2 digits are used. Only 2 digits are used. Okay, the fundamental digits used in this number system are the fundamental digits used in this number system. The fundamental digits used in this number system are 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Okay, so computer understands only binary numbers. So note, computer understands only binary language. Only binary language, which comprises of only 2 digits. Which comprises of only 2 digits. 2 digits, 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Is this clear? So example of binary numbers are 1001. Okay, 1100, 1111, 101010, 001. So we can say the base of this number is 2. The base of this number is also 2. The base of this number is also 2. The base of this number is also 2. It means the number belongs to binary number system where the base is equal to 2, because 2 fundamental digits are used to represent the numbers in that number system. Which number system? Binary number system. Clear? Okay. Now listen. Now let me tell you the most important thing. Listen, huh? Listen. Yes, tell. If I write 1 0, 1 0, okay, base 10. And if I write 1 0 1 0, base 2. Okay, so here the base is 10. It means this number belongs to decimal number system. Belongs to decimal number system. Decimal number system. Because its base is 10. Because its base is 10. And this number belongs to binary number system. This number belongs to binary number system. This number belongs to binary number system because its base is 2. Is this clear? Okay. Now, how to say this number? How to say this number? It is 1010. Yes or no? This is 1010. So this is 1010. So we can call it as 1010. Okay. But how to call this number? To call this number, we cannot say 1010. If it is a binary number, then we have to call it as 1010. 1010. Okay, 1010. Very, very important. Clear? So you need to focus on the base of the number. If the base is 10, it means the number belongs to decimal number system. And if the base is 2, it means the number belongs to binary number system. And if the number belongs to decimal number system, then we have to call it as 1010. But if the base is 2, that means if the number belongs to binary number system, then we have to call it as 1010. Okay, 1010. Now let us discuss about the octal number system. Okay, octal number system. Let us discuss about the third number system, which is octal number system. Which is octal number system. Okay, so octal number system, in octal number system, the base value is 8. Why? Because 8 fundamental digits are used. Because 8 fundamental digits are used. Because 8 fundamental digits are used. Okay. Because 8 fundamental digits are used in this number system. Because 8 fundamental digits are used in this number system. In this number system. Okay. The fundamental digits used in this number system are the fundamental digits used in this number system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. From 0 to 7. Okay. Note digits 8 and 9. Digits 8 and 9 are not allowed in octal number system. Are not allowed in octal number system, are not allowed in octal number system. ठीक है, तो डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में कितने डिजिट्स अलाउड थे? 0 से लेकर के 9 तक. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम का बेस कितना था? 2. क्यों? क्योंकि 2 फंडामेंटल डिजिट्स अलाउड थे, 0 and 1. ठीक है, उसी तरह से ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम में कितने डिजिट्स अलाउड हैं? 8. कौन कौन से? 0 से लेकर के 7 तक. ध्यान रखने वाली बात यह है कि ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम में डिजिट्स 8 और 9 यूज नहीं किए जाते हैं, ये याद रखना है. ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई राइट 274, okay, 274 base 8, it means this number belongs to octal number system, or we can say it is an octal number. Okay, this number belongs to octal number system. Octal number system. Acha, if I write 942 base 8, so this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong because digit 9 is not allowed, because digits 8 and 9 are not allowed. And here we have used the digit 9, so this is not allowed. Okay, clear na? Now let us discuss about hexadecimal number system. Let us discuss about hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Bit number 4. Hexadecimal number system. Okay, hexadecimal number system. In hexadecimal number system, the base is equal to 16. Why? Because 16 fundamental digits are used. Because 16 fundamental digits are used. Because 16 fundamental digits are used in this number system. Okay. The fundamental digits used in this number system are the fundamental digits used in this number system are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we cannot use 10. Okay, in place of 10, you can use capital A or small a, then capital B or small b, then capital C or small c, capital D or small d, capital E or small e, capital F or small f. Okay, so A represents the digit 10. This represents 11. C represents 12. Yes. D represents 13. E represents 14. F represents 15. So 0 to 15 means 16 digits are there. Yes or no? You have started from 0, na? So 0 to 15, count it. From 0 to 9, 10 digits are there. Then if it is 0 to 15, since you have started from 0, so how many fundamental digits are used? 16. है ना? कुछ बच्चे सोच रहे होंगे सर यहाँ पे तो लास्ट में 15 है, तो सर 16 डिजिट्स फिर कैसे हुआ? 0 से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ना, तो 0 से लेकर के 15 तक कितने हो गए? 16 फंडामेंटल डिजिट्स. ओके, एग्जांपल, इफ आई राइट A to C base 16, so we can say this number belongs to hexadecimal number system. This number belongs to hexadecimal number system. This number belongs to hexadecimal number system. Acha, if I write M2 Z, base 16. So this is wrong. Yes or no? This is wrong because alphabets M and Z are not allowed. Okay, are not allowed. So this is all about the number systems which is there in our standard 7 syllabus. Decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. Okay, so please prepare your notes accordingly. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.